Alia Bhatt cancels her Cannes debut amidst Indo-Pak tensions. Is it just a fashion choice postponed or something far deeper? India's darling and global beauty ambassador Alia Bhatt was all set to walk the prestigious red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival 2025. This was meant to be a milestone in her international journey, a glittering moment in the world of fashion and cinema. But just hours before the grand opening ceremony, news broke that Alia had backed out of the event. And this wasn't a casual cancellation, this was a decision made in the shadow of rising border tension between India and Pakistan, an emotional and powerful choice that's now sparking conversations across the country. Alia was scheduled to attend the opening as a global ambassador for a renowned beauty brand L'Oreal Paris. But as per reports, she made a last minute decision to withdraw, citing the sensitive national mood and escalating conflict. While fans were eagerly waiting to see her debut looks at Cannes, what they got instead was something unexpected, a moving message from Alia that struck a chord with millions. In a heartfelt note shared publicly, Alia didn't talk about gowns, designers, or photo options. Instead, she talked about silence, tension, and sacrifice. She wrote, "The last few nights have felt different. There's a certain stillness in the air when a nation holds its breath." These words weren't from a celebrity prepping for a red carpet, they were from a citizen of a grieving nation. Alia went on to say that while we sit safe in our homes, there are men and women, our soldiers standing in the dark, guarding our sleep with their own. She reminded us of the mothers of those soldiers who lie awake, not knowing if their child will survive the night. This isn't just bravery, she said, it's sacrifice. So it's rare to see a celebrity, especially at the peak of their global fame, step back from international glamour for something that's deeply personal and national. Alia's decision comes shortly after the horrifying terror attack in Pahalgam that claimed the lives of brave Indian soldiers. In such times, silence isn't just powerful, it's respectful. Though some reports suggest Alia might still attend Cannes later if tensions eases. Her absence from the opening night has already made a statement far louder than any red carpet appearance. Meanwhile, Cannes 2025 has brought in some stricter red carpet rules this year. Nudity is banned, voluminous outfits that block traffic are not allowed, and flowy long trends are being discouraged for smoother movement. But in the middle of all these global headlines, India's own Alia Bhatt has quietly made the biggest impact by simply not showing up. Her act of choosing solidarity over stardom and empathy over exposure reflects a side of stardom that we rarely get to see. It's not just about being seen, it's about knowing when not to be seen. So here's the question we leave you with. In a world obsessed with appearances, does Alia Bhatt's silence speak louder than any red carpet moment ever could? Let us know what you think, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.